A video to demonstrate how you may earn money online more quickly by utilizing the sites I'll show you soon in this video. When you watch the money rolling in uninterrupted, it can be tough to stop employing this money-making strategy. What if I told you that all you currently need are these websites that pay $100 daily to close this deal? We're about to investigate and find out. It's fantastic to watch videos and catch up on social media, but these activities don't really pay you for your time. However, by using these websites, which will pay you $100 daily for watching videos or movies online, you can make most money by investing your time and internet. I'll demonstrate websites that will pay you for watching videos, playing video games, reading comic books, and more. All you need to start making $100 daily with the strategy I'm about to leak to you is a smartphone or computer, and a steady supply of internet. These websites will pay you $100 daily when you consistently watch videos on their platform, so it's not really a lot. The best thing about these websites is that anyone can use them to make $100 each day and that they are accessible worldwide. This is essential because the more movies and video games you watch and play, the more money you make. And before we jump into it towards the end of the video, I shall give you an additional site to maximize as much or as little as $100 daily online. Pay attention until the very end so you won't miss any essential information. Now let's jump direct into it. The first and main platform which we will be using in order to get paid $100 in free PayPal money by just watching videos is called Cashkick. To access this site, go to cashkick.com and start making money. You can check the link later on in the pinned comment below. This is an additional platform that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your income and results. You can use Cashkick to earn extra money by watching only very brief videos instead of movies. As you can see, money is the best reward, and who doesn't love money honestly? Everyone likes money, therefore I'm urging you to stick around to find out how to use this site to make $100 every day. Cashkick will deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you love doing online, such as watching videos and using the internet. Yes, it is that simple. Consider how simple this kind of job would be to get compensated for. If you want to earn additional money, you can also take surveys, but that isn't what we'll be concentrating on today. It's nice to be able to receive money immediately into your PayPal account, as you can see right here, especially for online transactions. Cashkick is absolutely free and it is accessible globally. You don't need to invest a dime whatsoever or have money to work. It is absolutely free. All you need to do to get started is to watch short and entertaining videos. After that, money will start pouring into your account like crazy. The best part is that you may pay instantly and simply online using your preferred payment method. Also, the most amazing thing is that Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds, making the payment withdrawals instant and fast. They deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently starting from as low as $5 only. So all you need is a threshold of $5 in your account in order to cash out. It is not like other websites that will need you to earn up to $100 or even more in order to cash out your money. And all you need to get started is just a smartphone, computer, or a tablet and a steady supply of internet for you to be able to earn $100 daily. You can carry out this activity while sitting on your couch or lying on your bed. You may earn money doing anything. It is that simple. Although this method is easy, you'll only be able to make an extra couple of dollars. But even if it's just a certain amount of money, it will eventually add up. And all you need is time and a bit of patience in order to reach $100 daily goal, which is easily attainable. It's as simple as such. Since you're only watching movies, there isn't really any work for you to do. You can simply push the play button and leave the video playing in the background while you do anything else while money is being deposited into your account. To get started, go to cashkick.com or use their app and just sign up for a free account. To do so, enter your email address and choose a password and then just click on Get Started Now. It's as simple as that. To finish that, you can access the function where you can watch videos and get paid for each one you watch.